today we're going to put on the black grills, get rid of the chrome covered ones, something like that. Let's have a look. So there's two methods I've seen to do this. One is to rip off the chrome itself first and then get underneath and pull out the actual grill. And another is to just take the whole thing out as one unit. They're two pieces, the two parts, the outer ring and the inner ring. I'm going to go for the method to take out the whole thing in one hit. Seems to be easier. So to do that, we need to take off these 4 or 5 bolts here, move the bumper off, hit the clips, pop it out. It should be straightforward. Let's have a go. So for this, we need some trim tools. I've got the Bimatech set for the speakers that are going in the next couple of days. And a Torx head, we need a 30. Torx head 30. And we'll just take these off. All right, so with that done, then we want to take off this rubber strip, just pull up. Just move it over there, no problem. And then you see these clips here, you just want to pop the bumper up and over, just like that, and that's it. You don't need to do any more. All right, so there's tabs here. You pretty much just want to push in and pull out, right? You just want to push down on a tab, like that, pop. It just went back in. So you push down, pop it forward, move to the next. You kind of want to hold the tension so it doesn't slip back in and click back in place. But pretty straightforward actually, there you go. So that's the top 3 done. There's one on the side. Pop like that. All right. So the way I've seen it done, once you've done the side ones with the tools, you kind of want to just pry in there, and then if you can't push directly, just twist the tool and it should try and click it. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to get your hands a bit dirty and go in, and there's 3 at the bottom. You kind of just have to feel your way. And what you're trying to do is pull up. There you go. So I think the key is to try and use the tip of your finger to push up. If you just use your whole finger and try to pull the whole tab up, it doesn't work. We'll be able to see it once we get it off. But you kind of want to use the tip of your finger. There it is. That's it, got it. This ain't easy, guys. This ain't easy. See, it's out at the bottom. It's the side that's holding us in, so let's get that off. And we should be good in 2 seconds. Just be careful not to have it all clip back in place. There it is. Whew, that was hard work. That was bloody hard work. So, now you can see the clips that you want to push in that center bit to try and get it out. Now the good news is once you've got one out, the second one becomes a lot easier because you have access to it. That's my understanding, and it seems to be the case. And that's why you'll find a lot of times the videos show the second one and not the first one. The first one is a pain in the ass. All right, but now we have the method and we have access. So undo the clip, undo the clip. Like that, beautiful. One on the side, done. Now we have access from a little bit of trial and error. So we've got the top done. Again, we go underneath with our finger. Try and use the tip of your finger to pull it up, not your pad. There you go, middle one done, and the last one done. Easy peasy on that one, very easy. Perfect, so there you go. Original. Original silver chrome trim on the outside. Now we're going to put in the black. Now it's literally just click in place. So what we're going to do is just clean up the outside edges here. Take the opportunity to give it a good clean. Just got a bit of quick detailing here. Nothing too fancy. Quick spray. The key is take your time, don't just get upset and yank it, because if you yank it, you'll break it. And you never know when you want to go back to the original. So just take your time with it. Done and done. Easy. All right. So let's get the new ones. So you just pick these up off Amazon or wherever. Just make sure you get them the right way around. Line them all up. And let's do it. Put them on, and they literally just clip in place. So quick look at the clips. So you see the two pieces where the outer ring comes off with these clips, and then the inner ring is the black part. But you can do it all as one. They clip into each other. So yeah, just literally pop it on. You got your 3 clips at the bottom, 3 at the top, either side. So that's it. Find the line, clickety click. Make sure it's all firm, not going anywhere. Beautiful. Give them a quick wipe down before we go in. If there's any dust on them, just like that. And there it is. That is awesome. So all you got to do now is put those back. So you can see the difference here actually. Quick review. These are the double slit ones, and these are the big single slits. Probably going to be harder to clean, but it does look the part with the white and the black contrast. So what you want to do is just put these rings back over the pins. Simple as that. And bolt it back together. Done. Get your rubber strip and replace the rubber strip. Just like that. Take your originals, put them away in a safe spot, and that is it.